Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt from or using powdered milk. I have 2 cups of powdered milk here. I'm going to put that in a bowl. And then I have water. I'm going to add 6 cups of water to the milk. Then I'm going to mix the milk thoroughly so that all the powdered milk is dissolved. Then I'm going to pour the milk into a saucepan and bring to a light boil on medium heat. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. During this time, you want to remove any scum that may form on the top of the milk because you don't want the scum in your yogurt. I'm also going to be stirring the milk often. When I see light bubbles forming, I'm going to take the milk off the heat and let it cool. So I'm going to use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of my yogurt starter, which is plain and unsweetened yogurt. I'm going to pour the starter into a clean bowl, and then I'm going to pour in the milk and stir it very well. So then I cover the bowl and wrap it in a napkin and put it in a stable, warm environment, which is my oven, for at least 12 hours. I left mine for over 15 hours actually. So after more than 15 hours, you can see my yogurt has formed. Nice, thick and creamy yogurt. I'm just going to pour out the whey, which is the little liquid that formed at the top. So voila guys, yummy creamy yogurt, all made from powdered milk. As you know, you can have this yogurt with anything: honey, cranberry sauce, use it in parfaits, for cakes, etc. So guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also write a nice comment, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!